Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams with ADHD. First, break down your study material into smaller, manageable segments. Aim for focused 25-minute work periods, followed by short breaks. Next, create a clear, visual study schedule. Assign specific topics to each session, ensuring you cover all necessary material. Finally, identify your personal peak focus times. Schedule your most challenging subjects during these periods for optimal concentration and retention. To make your study sessions more effective, engage in active recall. Use flashcards or quiz yourself regularly to test your understanding of key concepts. Try explaining difficult topics aloud, as if teaching someone else. This solidifies your knowledge. Additionally, incorporate multisensory learning. Draw diagrams, use different colored pens for notes, or even listen to relevant podcasts to engage more senses. This approach can significantly improve retention. Minimizing distractions is crucial for effective studying with ADHD. Set up a dedicated, clutter-free study space to reduce external stimuli. Consider using noise-canceling headphones or playing white noise to block out distracting sounds. Remember to schedule short, regular breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes. These breaks help prevent mental fatigue and allow your brain to consolidate information, improving overall focus when you return to your studies. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Regularly revisit previously studied material to reinforce your memory and pinpoint any areas needing more attention. Beyond academics, prioritize self-care. Ensure you get sufficient sleep and maintain balanced nutrition for optimal brain function. Remember, a healthy body supports a healthy mind. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals to help you thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.